Hi everyone, welcome into Discover. Today in this tutorial we are going to learn how to generate an HTML report in Pytest. If you are running automate test and want to clear visual report showing past, failed and skip test cases, HTML reports are extremely useful. I will show you how to generate a Pytest HTML report step by step so you can easily share test results with your team. So let's begin. First, create a simple test. Right click on tests folder, new, and then click on Python file, enter test underscore sample, and then click on Python. Now we have successfully created a new test file. First, import Pytest and create a function def. Function name is test underscore addition assert 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Now add another function def test underscore subtraction subtraction and the round bracket assert 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Add another function def test score failure assert 10 equal to 5. Now we have successfully write a basic test case. This is for adding 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. This is assertion, and assert 5 minus 3 is equal to 2, and this test case will be failed because here we add assert 10 equal to 5. Now first we will install HTML report plugin. So open terminal and then enter command here pytest dash dash html is equal to report dot html. This is for install report plugin, and then click on enter. As you can view here, collected 16 items. For verifying whether this package is installed or not, you need to enter command here pip show pytest dash html. This is the command for checking the pytest html is installed or not, and you can verify here version, also version 4.2.0. It means HTML package has been installed. Now we need to run the test. For running the test, you need enter a file name pytest and then enter this folder name. As you can view here, this is the tests folder. Inside this tests folder, multiple test files. Suppose you want to run only a specific file. You want to execute only these test cases in test underscore sample file. So make sure you need to enter here tests slash and then enter this file name. File name is test underscore sample dot py. This is the extension of Python file. Dash dash html is equal to report dot html dash dash self dash content dash html. This is the command for executing these test cases, and the report will be generated. Click on enter for running the test, and here you can view one failed, two passed. one failed and two passed, and this is the location in which report generated successfully. Just click on this one and report open successfully. This is the report and report.html. You can view here. This is the title. This is the Python version, plugins, and this is the Java underscore home. This is the variable name, and here this is the summary. You can view here one test case has been failed. This is the function name, and assert 10 is equal to 5. And here we can filter. Suppose you want to only fail test cases, so you can mark this one, and here we can view only failed test cases. If you click on this one, so you can view only passed test cases. If you click on this one, and here you can view no logout captured, and other option also available here. Skipped, if any test case is skipped, so you can also uncheck and check this checkbox. You can also click on show all details and hide all details. You need to mark this one and then click on show all details. These options are so available. Hide all details. You can also hide all the details. This is the time of execution. This test case execute in 5 milliseconds. So you can view here duration. So that's how you can generate report in Pytest and make your test results more readable and professional. Using HTML reports helps you quickly analyze failures and improves overall test reporting and debugging. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Pytest and automation testing tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.